Albert Einstein called the power of compounding the eighth wonder of the world. Now, I would not argue with what one of the smartest men in the world has declared. Compounding is a wonder. Let me tell you why. In compounding, you invest an initial amount and that amount increases due to appreciation or returns received. Now, in the next year, your capital and accumulated interest from the previous year get reinvested and you earn interest on the initial capital plus the accumulated interest. This continues as long as you don't withdraw the accumulated interest. Your money keeps compounding. Hi, I am Vaibhav Porwal and welcome to channel Dezerv. In this video, we are going to talk about the power of compounding. Throughout my life, be it my own experience or seeing the wealth of clients grow, I have experienced the magic of compounding. While it is a very simple concept of simply remaining invested, not many understand the importance and realize the benefits of compounding. So watch this video as I explain how to harness the magical power of compounding and grow your wealth. Being patient and not reacting to market ups and downs is not easy. However, only if you remain invested for a long time do you reap the benefits of compounding. So these are my learnings over the years that have helped me grow long-term wealth. Now I'll talk about 3 do's and don'ts that can help you compound your wealth over a long period of time. Let us begin with do's. First, understand your risk profile. The core of compounding lies in staying invested for the long term. Unfortunately, many investors invest in high-risk portfolios, causing them to liquidate prematurely when they don't perform well or face volatility. Therefore, it is essential to know your risk capacity and invest in instruments that you are comfortable with and can remain invested in for long. Second, invest in open-ended instruments. Open-ended instruments are those instruments that do not have a fixed lock-in period or fixed tenure. Forced exit from an instrument creates an issue of reinvestment and leads to immediate tax liability, a significant negative for compounding. On the other hand, instruments like open-ended mutual funds are perpetual structures that deliver continuous growth without limiting access to liquidity. Thus, investing in open-ended instruments let you compound your money far longer. Third, plan your financial goals. By planning your important financial goals such as retirement corpus, buying a house, children's education, you will know your end objectives in mind. This will motivate you to invest for these goals and not remove your money from investments unless required for these important goals. This facilitates the power of compounding. Now moving on to the don'ts, which are more important than the do's. First, don't invest on borrowed conviction. There are so many people and sources who give us investment advice, but it is impossible for anyone to know your financial goals, income expenses, family structure, and risk appetite. And when you invest on borrowed conviction and your requirements are not met, you will be forced to exit investments that are not working for you. This hinders compounding. Second, don't fall for thematic investing. It is very tempting to invest money in themes that have performed well recently. However, most of these opportunities are usually discovered at the peak of the performance cycle and may generate losses. For example, investing in tech funds, infra funds, and real estate funds at the height of the performance cycle has caused irreparable damage in the past. When you sustain losses or your thematic investment does not perform as per your expectation, you end up exiting the investment, thus hampering compounding. Hence, it is advisable to not invest as per themes. Third, don't opt for payouts in products with regular cash flows. Many investors choose instruments with periodic cash flow to derive emotional gratification. Unfortunately, unless you need the liquidity or regular income, most often this payout is simply used up or lies idle in the bank account. Hence, unless you require regular cash flows from investment, opt for automatic reinvestment of payouts. These are few learnings that have helped me create wealth for myself and my clients. I would love to know what has helped you compound your money. Do share them below in the comment section. Hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions, please put them down in the comments below and my team and I'll address them for you. Hit the subscribe button below and press the bell icon for our latest videos. Thank you.